Hello, good day children. Today our lesson is about dinosaurs. Take out your pupils book, turn to page number 55. It is in unit 5. Before starting the lesson, you can watch the video on dinosaurs.
Today, we're going to talk about some animals that existed 65 million years ago. I am sure you have heard about the dinosaurs, and I'm certain you have seen them in many films and cartoons featuring dinosaurs. But not everything that is told in these films is correct. So if you don't mind, let's find out what they are really like and how they lived. The first thing we need to understand is that people and dinosaurs never lived together. The dinosaurs lived before human beings existed, and they roamed the earth for approximately 135 million years. That's a really long time. They were the dominating vertebrates. Nowadays, more than 500 different species have been identified, thanks to bones and fossils found. All dinosaurs were oviparous, meaning they reproduced by laying eggs. But there were huge differences between them. Some were very small, while others were absolutely enormous. So as to learn about them better, we have divided them into two major groups: Ornithischia and Saurischia. What complicated names they have! The Ornithischia, or bird-hipped dinosaurs, were herbivore, which means they only ate plants. The most well-known was the Triceratops. They were impressive, huh? The Saurischia, or lizard-hipped dinosaurs, were the ancestors of the crocodiles and lizards. Among these species, they were carnivores and herbivores, and with them then, the two most famous dinosaurs, the Diplodocus and the Tyrannosaurus. The Diplodocus was the largest dinosaur. In 1907, an entire skeleton was found, measuring 27 meters. Although remains of these specimens have been found exceeding 50 meters. In these images, you can observe just how enormous they were. The Tyrannosaurus was and still is the most fearsome predator which has ever existed on our planet. It was more than 4 meters high and could be up to 12 meters in length. In its mouth, it had 60 razor-sharp pointed teeth, and it could run 65 kilometers per hour. The truth is, I would be absolutely petrified if I would come across such an animal. But wait a minute. How was it possible that such large and powerful animals completely disappeared off the face of the earth? Currently, the investigators are focusing on two big theories. The first is based on the impact of an asteroid or comet from outer space. The other theory maintains that the cause of the dinosaurs' disappearance was due to a period of enormous volcanic activity.
Hope you have enjoyed the video and have learned some good facts about dinosaurs. If you are not sure, watch the video again. The word you listen will be helpful to you. Right. Let's move to the lesson. Remember, first you have to write the question in a book and try to find answers. While you are listening to the audio, you can write the answers. Right. Your first question is, when did the dinosaurs live on Earth? And the second question, what is the meaning of dinosaur? Now, listen to the audio and try to find answers.
Dinosaurs were a group of prehistoric animals. They lived on Earth a long time ago. They had scaly skin, lived on the land and laid eggs. The word dinosaur means terrible reptile in ancient Greek.
Right. Your first question is, when did the dinosaurs live on Earth? I hope you have found the answer. The answer is, dinosaurs, that means they lived on Earth a long time ago. Answer for the question, they lived on Earth a long time ago. Right. The second question is, what is the meaning of dinosaur? Yes, I hope you have found the answer. The word dinosaur means terrible reptile. Okay, let's learn new words. If you are not clear, please refer to a Sinhala dictionary. And the first word is prehistoric. That means lived a very long time ago. Now you know the dinosaurs lived a very long time ago. That means they are prehistoric. At that time, there were no human on the earth. Right. The second word is scaly skin. Scaly skin means covered with scales, like fish. The body of the fish is covered with scales. See, these are the scales. Our next word is terrible. Terrible means dangerous. As you have seen in the video, there are some dinosaurs, they are very dangerous. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Again, first you have to write the question in a book and try to find answers while you are listening to the audio. Question number 1, when did the dinosaurs live on Earth? Question number 2, what is that era called? Okay, let's listen to the audio.
There were no humans on Earth when dinosaurs lived on it. Dinosaurs first appeared on Earth about 230 million years ago. They lived here for about 165 million years. The period in which they lived is called the Mesozoic era.
Yes, the first question is, when did the dinosaurs live on Earth? Hope you have found the answer. The answer is, they lived on the Earth about 230 million years ago. The answer is, they lived on Earth about 230 million years ago. Right. The second question is, what is that era called? Yes, that era is called Mesozoic era. Yes, your answer should be the Mesozoic era. Okay. Let's move to the third paragraph. Again, you have to write the questions and find the answers while you are listening to the audio. The two questions are, what are fossils? And the second question is, who study about fossils?
We learn about dinosaurs by looking at dinosaur fossils. Fossils are the preserved remains of living things. First dinosaur fossils were found in England in the 1920s. Scientists who study fossils are called paleontologists.
Hope you have written the answers. Question number 1, what are fossils? Yes, the answer is, fossils are the preserved remainings of living things. I can show you this in a picture. Right, second question is, who study about fossils? Yes, the scientists who study fossils are called paleontologists. Again, write the questions in your writing book and try to find answers. Question number 1, who is the most dangerous dinosaur? Second one, name 2 herbivorous dinosaurs.
Different dinosaurs ate different things. Some dinosaurs were meat-eaters or carnivores. Among them, Tyrannosaurus rex was the most dangerous. Dinosaurs such as Diplodocus and Stegosaurus were plant-eaters or herbivores. Some dinosaurs were omnivores. They believed to have eaten plants, insects and reptiles.
Hope you have found the answers. Question number 1 is, who is the most dangerous dinosaur? The answer is Tyrannosaurus rex. I can show you a picture. Yes, this Tyrannosaurus rex was the most dangerous dinosaur on the earth. Question number 2. Name 2 herbivorous dinosaurs. Yes, the answers are Diplodocus and Stegosaurus. I can show you a picture of Diplodocus, and here is a Stegosaurus. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, let's learn new words. Again, if you are not clear, please refer to a dictionary for singular meanings. First word is carnivores. Carnivores means meat eaters, like lions. Second word is herbivores. Herbivores means plant eaters, like rabbits. Third one is omnivores. Omnivores mean both meat and plant eaters, like bear. We are omnivores. We eat plants and meat. Okay, this is your last paragraph. Again, write the questions. Question number 1 is, when did the dinosaurs become extinct? Question number 2, why did they extinct? Okay, let's listen to the audio and try to find answers.
About 65 million years ago, dinosaurs became extinct or disappeared from the Earth. Scientists have different ideas about how they became extinct. The most popular idea is that while they were living on Earth, a huge meteorite crashed into it. After that, the Earth became very cold. Dinosaurs and other reptiles could not bear the extreme weather and died.
Hope you have found the answers. Question number 1, when did the dinosaurs become extinct? About 65 million years ago, dinosaurs became extinct or disappeared from the earth. That's why we don't find dinosaurs on the earth now. Okay, second question, why did they extinct? The answer is because of a huge meteorite crash. I can show you it in a picture. Yes, dinosaurs become extinct or disappeared from the earth because of a meteor. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Now you have to complete this comprehension activity in your pupils book. Write the answers in your writing book and bring them when you come to school. Okay, question number 1. What were dinosaurs? Second one, when did dinosaurs live on Earth? Question number 3, how do we learn about dinosaurs? And question number 4, what did dinosaurs eat? And question number 5, how did dinosaurs become extinct? Okay, you have another activity, the activity 7. And do the activity, write them in your writing book. When you come to the class, I will be checking them. Okay, that's it. Thank you.